So, good afternoon, guys. Let's make ourselves dinner tonight. Amke's kitchen right here. So I'm gonna fry 4 eggs, and then I'm gonna cut up the peanut brother. And I'm gonna spread some cheese spread on the peanut right here. So right here, I bought a brand new frying pan. Brand new frying pan I bought the other day. And I'm gonna use it. So right here, so put some salt right here. And I want some pepper. How beautiful. And let the eggs fry by itself. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut up the peanut into half right here. So right here, now take the cheese spread and spread it on top there. So there you go, guys, right here. That looks beautiful. And now, brand new frying pan. And use that. Looks absolutely beautiful. So, and then a couple of minutes, and I'm gonna put the frying eggs on top, right here. Amke's kitchen. So just look at them. What a beauty, my God. What a beauty. Crikey, and then right. In it. So right here, these eggs have cooked, fried. These eggs have fried. So right here, put them on salt. And let's try it. Right here. That's it. Beautiful. And put the other half of the peanut. So beautiful. What a beauty, my God. Dinner tonight. So, and then what else? I'm gonna put some cheese on top. Right here. So it looks like this. Beautiful. What a beauty, my God. So just wait for about 5 minutes, just wait. And the sandwich looks so beautiful, you see it melting, my God. And now you cut it into quarters. Amke's kitchen. Whoa. Right here. So right here, I'm cutting it half. So now I'm cutting it half again. Amke's kitchen. Whoa. So right here, that's how it looks. Look at it. Oh my God. My God. Amke's dinner tonight. Amke's kitchen. You know, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. And also clean up the plate a little bit. Yeah. See you later.